clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. I appreciate you taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video I'm super excited because it is another Carolina Girls collab, and April is Autism Awareness Month. So we are going to be creating autism awareness looks. This is super important to our Carolina girl Patrice, whose daughter is autistic. One of my close sorority sisters' brother is also autistic. We participated in a bunch of sorority events for Alpha Zeta Delta in college. Autism was part of their philanthropy. I thought it was an awesome idea suggested by Patrice to do Autism Awareness Month looks. I'm super excited because I'm going to be testing out a palette that's new to me by ColourPop. This is on Cloud Blue, and I'm feeling a little extra spicy today for a look, so I'll probably be taking my You Can Be Athena paint palette as well. I will link both Carolina Girls and Collab's playlist to watch previous videos, and if you're visiting from their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Grab a snack, grab your makeup and brushes, let's create a look together. So very lightly dip into this palette because I've already made a huge dent, a lot of kick up, and yeah, there goes a lot of shadow right there. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this Autism Awareness Month look with me. I am obsessed with it. I love the giant ribbon on the face, and this palette was a lot of fun, blended out super nice. The only thing I do want to point out on this palette is this shade right here, Love Poem. I didn't think I tapped in that hard, even though I am naturally a little bit more heavy-handed, but since I was taking an eyebrow brush and doing a cut crease look, I usually go in a lot lighter. That way I can build up the pigment to my liking. And of course, if the line isn't drawn to like my liking, I will start over. It's not like a huge mess, but I feel like a clump of shadow did kick up. I would love to know, what is your favorite blue eyeshadow palette? How would you have approached a look like this? I thought that this was a great topic to do a look for. I would love to continue to do more, so if you know any awarenesses in any other months, definitely let us know in the comments below. We'll definitely try to do some themed looks around it, and don't forget to check out the other lovely ladies looks. Their videos will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.